Money is an essential part of our lives, and managing it effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability and success. However, many people struggle with their finances, whether it's overspending, accumulating debt, or failing to save for the future. To master your finances and achieve your financial goals, it's essential to follow key principles that can guide your financial decisions and help you build a solid financial foundation. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. Have you ever pondered the financial habits of the wealthy? It's no secret that the rich seem to have a knack for managing their finances and accumulating wealth. But what exactly are they doing differently than the rest of us? What rules are they following to achieve financial success? In this video, we'll explore the financial principles and habits of the wealthy, uncovering the secrets to their financial success and offering insights that you can apply to your own finances. Subscribe now for exclusive tips and insights. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 15 rules of money. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. Spending less than you earn is a crucial principle for achieving financial stability and success. It requires discipline, careful budgeting, and tracking of your expenses to ensure that you are not overspending. This rule is simple, yet many people struggle to follow it. By prioritizing your needs over your wants and avoiding impulse purchases, you can avoid accumulating debt, build up your savings, and make progress toward your financial goals. Rule number 2, create a budget. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively and achieving financial stability. By listing your income and expenses, you can gain control over your finances, prioritize your needs over your wants, and avoid overspending. This allows you to build up your savings, create an emergency fund, and make progress towards your financial goals. The key to successful budgeting is to be realistic, flexible, and disciplined. Be sure to include an emergency fund in your budget and make adjustments as needed to ensure that you are staying within your means. By creating a budget that aligns with your goals, you can achieve financial success and live the life of luxury you desire. Rule number 3, save for emergencies. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver when things don't go as planned. Whether it's an unexpected medical bill, car repair, or job loss, having money set aside for emergencies can provide peace of mind and prevent financial stress. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in an easily accessible account, such as a savings or money market account. The key is to start small and be consistent. Set a goal for how much you want to save and create a budget that allows you to put aside a little bit each month. With dedication, consistency, and a little bit of patience, you can build an emergency fund that provides the security and peace of mind that you need to achieve financial success. Rule number 4, pay yourself first. Paying yourself first is a powerful financial habit that can transform your finances and help you achieve your financial goals. It means making your savings a priority before you overexpend, whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, building an emergency fund, or contributing to your retirement account. One way to make this habit stick is to set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or retirement account. This way, you don't have to rely on willpower to save. It happens automatically, and you won't even miss the money. By paying yourself first, you're ensuring that you're making progress toward your financial goals and are less likely to overspend on non-essential expenses. Rule number 5, avoid debt. Debt can be a daunting financial burden that can weigh you down and prevent you from achieving your financial dreams. While it may be necessary to borrow money for certain purchases, such as buying a home or car, it's essential to have a solid plan for paying it back quickly and avoiding the accumulation of high interest charges. One way to avoid debt is to live within your means and avoid overspending on non-essential expenses. You can also prioritize paying off high interest debt first, such as credit card debt, and negotiate with lenders to lower interest rates or consolidate debt to make it more manageable. The wealthy understand the importance of avoiding debt and make it a priority in their financial planning. Rule number 6, invest in the long term. Investing can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. However, it is important to remember that investing in a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. To minimize risk, it is crucial to diversify your investments and choose a mix of stocks, bonds, and other investments that align with your goals. Rule number 7, Don't try to time the market. Trying to time the market is a common mistake among investors. It is challenging to predict the ups and downs of the stock market, and trying to time it can lead to missed opportunities or significant losses. Instead, focus on a long-term investment strategy and stay disciplined. By the way, Luxies, if you're enjoying this video and think these financial principles and habits are helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family too. Rule number 8, understand your investments. Understanding your investments is essential to making informed decisions about your money. Take the time to research and learn about the investments you are considering, and consult with a financial advisor if necessary. Make sure you understand the risks and potential of rewards before investing your money. Rule number 9, take advantage of tax benefits. There are several tax benefits available to investors, and it is essential to take advantage of them. This includes contributions to retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, which can lower your taxable income and save you money on taxes. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to maximize your tax benefits. Rule number 10, don't neglect insurance. Insurance is an important part of financial planning, and it is essential to make sure you have the coverage you need. This includes health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance, among others. Having adequate insurance can protect you and your family from financial hardship in case of unexpected events. Rule number 11, avoid lifestyle inflation. When you start earning more money, it can be tempting to splurge on things you previously couldn't afford. After all, you've worked hard for your income and deserve to treat yourself, right? However, this can quickly lead to lifestyle inflation, where your expenses rise in tandem with your income, leaving you with little to no savings or investment potential. To avoid this trap, it's essential to resist the urge to overspend and maintain a budget that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Remember, financial success isn't just about how much you make, it's also about how much you save and invest. By avoiding lifestyle inflation, you can build wealth over time and enjoy a more financially secure future. Rule number 12, don't neglect your credit score. Your credit score is an essential part of your financial health, and it is essential to maintain a good score. A good credit score can help you get approved for loans, credit cards, and other financial products, and can even impact your ability to get a job or rent an apartment. To maintain a good credit score, make sure you pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and check your credit report regularly for errors. Rule number 13, plan for retirement. Retirement planning is crucial, and it is essential to start early. This means setting aside money for retirement and making sure you are taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and other investment accounts. It is also important to consider factors such as inflation and healthcare costs when planning for retirement. Rule number 14, learn from your mistakes. Let's face it, we've all made financial mistakes at some point in our lives, whether it's a bad investment or overspending or unnecessary purchases. It's easy to feel discouraged and frustrated with ourselves. However, it's important to remember that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and we can use them to our advantage. By taking the time to reflect on our mistakes and identity what went wrong, we can learn valuable lessons and avoid making the same mistakes in the future. This means adjusting our spending habits, seeking advice from financial experts, and being more mindful of our financial decisions. Remember, the road to financial success is not always smooth, but with the right mindset and willingness to learn, we can overcome our mistakes and achieve our financial goals. So the next time you make a financial misstep, take it as an opportunity to learn and grow, and use it to propel yourself forward on the path to financial success. Rule number 15, stay disciplined. Achieving financial success requires more than just a one-time effort. It requires discipline and consistency over time. Sticking to a budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and making smart financial decisions may not always be easy, but it is necessary for long-term financial stability. It's easy to get sidetracked by flashy advertisements or the allure of immediate gratification, but staying disciplined means keeping your eyes on the prize and remaining focused on your financial goals. This means prioritizing your spending, being mindful of your debt, and making sure your financial decisions align with your long-term objectives. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination, and staying disciplined and consistent is key to achieving it. So Luxies, are you ready to take your finances to the next level and achieve the life of luxury you deserve? By mastering key financial principles and habits, you can take control of your finances and build the solid financial foundation that leads to financial stability and success. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on financial management and wealth building. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.